Hi, Mark Allen Olson, and this is what a sucky video looks like. Today's video again has really no point except for me to get better in front of the camera. So today I'm going to be working on cards, as in pointing to them. Today's video just be 3 minutes of me screwing up. I guess it might have to be. It takes a very long time to put these things together. A lot longer than I thought it would be. I might have to put the ending at the beginning. That might actually just make sense. Here's what I'm going to say to you. This process is taking a whole heck of a lot longer than I thought it would. I thought I could figure this out in, a weekend or a week or 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks now and I am nowhere near where I want to be. As far as shooting the videos, that's fine. For the last 4 days, I really just didn't even feel like being in front of the camera. There's always going to be time and there's always going to be something else that comes up that's going to say, look, that's going to seem more important than actually getting in front of the camera and creating content. Look, somehow figure out how to make the time to do it. If you think it's going to take you a month to learn how to do YouTube, or a month on how to do Facebook ads, or a month to get Instagram set up, if you think it's going to take you a week, plan on a month. If you think it's going to take you a month to get something figured out, plan on 4 months. That's what I'm coming up with. I figured I could bust this out. I mean, I know the internet. I know how to sell on the internet anyway, but I figured, oh, this is going to be easy. I can just, do whatever I was doing before and come back into the social media and just get it done. What I'm finding out is I don't know jack about how this all really works. I can probably put ads real quickly on Facebook and get them to convert old school, but that's not building a brand and that's not like creating the pond to go fishing in. And that's kind of the whole idea of social media, the way I want to build this whole thing right now. And even now, I'm talking to you. I'm talking like it's me. I got the whole thing backwards. Okay, as this video comes to an end, it is kind of interesting to figure out that my brain has been, while it may seem very disjointed and actually it's just going to be a really convoluted mess, I understand that, and you probably lost interest a long time ago. But this is actually a building program for me, because now I'm looking at my brain's actually thinking more along the lines of how this whole thing is going to come together. So while I'm standing here just rambling off the top of my head, it looks like I'm not thinking of anything, which I'm probably not, that's another case. But I can see the whole thing coming together in my brain. So right now I need to be working on how to end a video, because I really don't know how to do that. How to end the video. Don't suck. Well, in the comments below, please let me know if 1, you've seen any improvement at all, and 2, any specific things that I should be working on, and number 3, how can I really help you if you're trying to get into social media, any questions that you might ask. And I need to learn how to end the video.